down payment, which is only 10%, for long term, meaning 84-month payment, compared to the normal 5-year maximum term natin. Yeah, we stretched it, and then also to help out the businesses, we will introduce it also through leasing. So we have the long-term leasing, like 3 to 5 years. You will just pay the monthly payment, and it's all including the periodic maintenance, insurance, and registration. So the business owner, like me, will just have a fixed payment for a fixed term. So they can really, it will be light on their capital. They will just have the operational expense stable.
What about the after sales, sir?
Yes, ma'am. For after sales also, in terms of the periodic maintenance, we have also fixed the period and also the cost, and it's much lower compared to the usual periodic maintenance controls. Because we know that these are business owners, it's very important that the car keeps on running. And, looking at the segments that we have now in Philippines, actually Philippine automotive market is one of the fastest growing in the region, if not in the world. We're already in the top 10 actually, globally now. And we look at our models in the lineup that we have the below 1 ton segment, which is now we have the light e-spoke. Now dominating this segment would be the L300 and the Isuzu Travis po. So we'd like to participate also in this segment, being that it is the most or highest sales concentration in the commercial vehicle. We have niche conversions also. We have the food truck, we have the mobile service, we also have the camper van, all of which will be available starting Q2 of next year. So for the customer, if I want those variants, I just go to any Toyota dealer and just place the order. And then, because it is an official model in the Team Toyota lineup. So, of course, lead time will vary depending on the customization of the